In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Google Chat, ensuring a smooth and efficient integration experience in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started with this simple process. First, you need to head over to the Zapier homepage. Zapier is an incredibly useful tool that connects your apps and automates workflows, enabling seamless interactions between various platforms. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new Zap. Creating a Zap is essentially setting up a new automation task between your chosen apps. This will be the foundation for connecting Google Drive with Google Chat effectively. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Zaps section. Here you'll find numerous templates and tools to help build your custom workflow. Now in the Copilot message box, type connect Google Drive and Google Chat. This step is crucial as it initiates the process of linking these two services. The Copilot feature is designed to streamline your workflow, offering a straightforward approach to setting up these connections. Once you've typed in the connection you seek, click on Add All Steps to Zap. By doing this, Zapier will automatically load all the necessary steps you need to get your integration up and running smoothly. It's almost like magic, but with a little bit of tech involved. Following this, you'll need to define a trigger event. A trigger event is something that sets your Zap in motion. It might be something like a new file uploaded to a specific Google Drive folder that you wish to be notified about in Google Chat. Remember, the beauty of triggers is that they activate automation precisely when you need it, saving you effort and ensuring you don't miss anything important. The next move is logging into your Google account. This authentication step is vital for allowing Zapier to access and make changes on your behalf, while still keeping your data secure, so make sure you provide the necessary login details and permissions. After logging in, click Configure to adjust any specific settings for this integration based on your needs. Configuration options might include determining which folders or types of files you want to track within Google Drive. Make these selections carefully to ensure the integration aligns with your objectives. Once it's configured, go ahead and click on Test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Testing is a crucial step in verifying that your newly created Zap will process and communicate between Google Drive and Google Chat as intended. If it passes the test, you're good to go. With everything working smoothly, click on Google Chat and select an action event. The action event is what happens after your trigger conditions have been met, like sending a notification message directly to a specific room in Google Chat. Log in again if prompted, then configure this action to suit your needs, focusing on details such as the message format and content. Finally, don't forget to click on Test one more time to confirm that all pieces are perfectly in place, and then click on Publish to make your Zap live. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Google Drive with Google Chat using Zapier. Now you can enjoy seamless communication and file sharing between these platforms, streamlining your workflow and enhancing productivity. Happy automating!